All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Today I'm in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake. Okay, first of all, okay, I'm have my car on, okay? I'm just going to do that for myself, okay? So I am sitting in the car, driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look down towards the center of the vehicle. You see this console right here. I'm going to turn the parking brake on. Now to do that, I'm going to press on the brake. The car is in park, as you can see. Press on the brake. I'm going to pull up. And look, there it is. It says the brake right there is on. That's the indicator the parking brake is on right there. As well as this indicates that the parking brake is on. Now to turn it off, all I'm going to do is I'm going to again press on the brake. Okay, the car's in park. And I am going to press this. And the parking brake is off. Give me a thumbs up.